Hey, here goes a song. I'm gonna play a song. How are you? Yeah. Okay.
We should put our legs together.
Hold on. Let me pull my socks up.
Like this.
Yeah. Okay. Hold on. Wait. Let me put mine up.
They're very. I like them.
Okay. Hey. Yeah. What do you do? This or something, and do that or something?
Yes. The Pippi Longstockings handshake.
Yeah. Cool. He's got his socks on.
Yeah, and
Very
John
good.
gave them to me. Thank you, John.
Yeah. I can't believe you wore them. That's amazing. The Christmas socks.
Yeah, the Christmas. So dinner's almost ready.
Okay.
We can tell by the smell.
Yeah. I guess I better eat it, even though I'm trying to get
It's all
in
vegetables.
really
Ronnie.
good shape again.
This is totally,
Okay,
this will
good.
be good for you.
I'm not eating any bad for you, awful food
No,
stuff. I
this
can't.
is- yep. No cookies, no cakes,
Yeah.
no. This is all.
If you saw how heavy I was in the video, the Rednecks promotion video I just did, I had to CGI, well not CGI, but I had to color correct part of the screen and do a matte around my body so it looked like it was darker, so you couldn't make out the shape of how out of shape my chest was. It didn't look that great.
No.
It was like the heaviest it's been in a year or two. A year? 2 years. It's the heaviest it's been in 2 years since I moved here.
And
Almost as heavy as that, but I was eating terrible.
Quite nice
terrible.
tomorrow. Right now it's
Cool.
still cooking, but
Okay.
here, give this a taste. Turn on the light so I can see what I'm doing.
Oh man. Wow, that looks good. It's healthy. I was trying to just not eat anything.
Well, it's for something right
Alex
now.
is supposed to be coming over.
Yeah, this stir fry is very yummy.
Yeah. He's wearing the socks that I got him, and he has shoes on that look like Vans.
I'm a hipster.
Yeah. He's got like my sort of thing that I had because I gave him those socks.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah, you look good. Thank you.
Sure.
Yeah.
Why do you have to take an ultra close up?
Sorry.